Okay, guys, here we go. As promised, today we got you some Walking Dead, and we got Flair. A new friend of mine a new challenger has approached. We got Flair. Okay, she's been my friend for some time. It's just that she's new to these videos. Okay, chill out, Okay, since kindergarten. Okay. And we got Zane, my boy. We got Flair. We got me. So, it's going to be a good day. So, get ready. So, the way this game mode works is that there's 4 people that start off as infected. They have 5 seconds to get somewhere before they're infected. And then when they're infected, they try to infect other people until either somebody survives until somebody. It has to be it doesn't have to be like 2 people. It can be like any person. It can be like 1 person. It can be like 10 people. So they have to infect everybody. But if they don't infect everybody within a certain amount of time, then they lose and we win, and we want to win. So here we go. What y'all want? What you want, Flair? Huh, Flair? Okay. I might cut some stuff. Unless I'm the first one infected. I'm scared. Okay. Stay away from me, Flair. I have a M16. So if you want to get near me, if you want to just, oh, wait, no. Everybody's been, oh, it's 5 people instead of just normal. Stop following me, little creep. Little creep. Little creep. That was my nickname in high school. Let's go run over some zombies, my guy. Yes, I'm a PG gamer. Bruh. Delivery mode all to ourselves. Hey, my boy. My boy. That was my common AK. I'm gonna go run over a zombie because I want. Let's go find a zombie, guys. I'm gonna cut till we find a zombie. Zane found a zombie and he's almost dead. Where are you, child? You're down here. Don't die. Why were you... There's a pistol up here, by the way, if you want it. Yeah. Come on, we'll protect you from the rombos. Yeah, get healed or get what she said, because I don't know if I'm allowed to say that. Yeah. Okay, so, my calling card! Aww. Aww. I know I can't say that. By the way, she said murdered, so, got a murder. The other thing she said, I'm like actually not allowed. Why are you screaming? Why are you screaming? Stop screaming. I'm the only one allowed to scream. Ah! You murdered somebody? Cut until we find a zombie. Oh, it's a zombie. Oh, Lord. I almost died to him. Stop talking about murder. Zane, you just killed somebody and you didn't tell me. You didn't tell me about a zombie. Zombie? Killed him. Okay, we got this. We got these. We got these. Oh, that snipe. That was beautiful. Did you see that, Zane? Yeah, that's beautiful. Semi-beautiful, whatever you call it. What if I just want to hug the zombie and we don't kill each other? What if that happens? Huh? Bro, come on, there's a delivery mall up here. Gimme. Actually, wait, no, I can't sing that. They dropped a laser gun? Super laser gun? No. Sad. It's up here. It's It's two zombos. One zombo down. Two zombos down. You almost died, you stinky boy. You're infected with chuckledness. Got him. Dog, get better. Oh! Kill them! Murder! Mass extinction! I'm a PG channel. Mass extinction! Mass extinction! Oh! I almost died there. I did not like that. That was scary. Somebody threw a grenade at my face and it bounced off my face and I said, "How very dare you?" And they said, "Sorry." Got him. Let me reload, please. Thank you. Then don't be. Ah! Help. Help. Okay, he's dead. Ah! Help. I have one shot. Throw. Bro, we gotta get to the... We gotta... Bro, let's go. Let's go. Move out. Move out. Move out. All I have on me is a sniper. Move out. Move out. Move out. Move out. Bro, move out. Stop stealing things from other people's stuff. Hey! To the next round. We're starting a new round. Let's see if we're infected. Are we infected? If we're not infected, I'll probably cut until we find a zombie. I want to see if any of these guys are infected because you guys scare me. Get away from me. Okay, I don't think any of us are infected. Cutting until we find a zombie. There's zombies. There's zombies over here, guys. I saw them. See? See, I wasn't lying. Help! 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 I got one. Oh, buddy. Time to get some kills. I'm a zombie now, boys. Let's skip until I find a human. I found a person. He hit me. I died. Hold on, guys. Are these like dead brain zombies? Or are these like World War Z ninja zombies? I'm a ninja zombie. Let's go find some people. A person. Yeah, these are melee kills because we're just scratching them up with our claws. Yeah, see? Ninja zombies. Ninja zombies couldn't take out this guy and then teabag on him. Teabag. Until we find another human. People are up ahead. My people radar is reading it. Die. Yeah, I ate him. I ate him. He was scrum diddly dum 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 umptious. I don't know. No, my people are not strange. They're perfectly fine and they're nice people, so you know. Until I find another person. My human radar is going crazy over here. My human radar's going crazy over here. A person! Eat them! Got him. I ate him. I will dodge every shot that you take. Eat him! I died. Oh my gosh, Flare! I just saw you get annihilated. Let's go find people. My people sensor's going crazy over here, too. I'm not a dingus. You're a foot dab. Die, please. Oh, I'm dead again until I find another human. Here we go. We're going in, boys. We're going in. Hi, people. I'm the purple people eater. Get them all. We're all zombies. We all spawn next to each other. Wait, get this guy who's on the zipline. Get this guy who's on the zipline. Yeah! 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 Okay, until we find another human. There's so many zombies! Only 3 people left. Deep breathing. Wait, guys, open your map so that you can see where they are. You found them! You found them! You killed them! You killed one. There, you guys killed another. Let's go! We won as the humans and as the zombies. To the next round. Starting. We're starting. We're starting. We're starting. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go right now, y'all. Okay, so. No, don't hurt me. Don't hurt me. You scare me. Okay, so. Oh, Zane! 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 Zane, no! Zane, don't do it! Zane, you're better than this! You're better than this! I killed him, don't worry. Okay, so Zane was one of the first infected, as you saw. The first infected are red chickens. So, until we find another zomboid. There's a zomboid! Oh, he died. Oh, well. I one-shotted him. Another one. Die, please. Okay, got him. There's a dead body! Thanks for your stuff. Got him. Nah, bro, this is so good. Oh, yeah, I just watched some people just annihilate some zomboids. At Delivery Mall, we just annihilated some zomboids. It just reached 12, so, 12 minutes. This is probably gonna be the last round, maybe, I don't know. Go as long. Ah! Help! 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 What in the Willy Wonka Bing Bang Bong world? Until I find a human. Yes, I'm doing this again. Don't worry, I won't do it every time, though. There's people down here. There's people down here. Carnage! Where'd they go? Carnage! Oh my gosh, they have a minigun. Give me Carnage! Oh, I died. Oh well. There's so many zombies. So many people. We gotta find one last person. One last person will be our victim. It's probably the guy with the minigun, though. Yum. Yum. We're here to eat you alive. Hello? Hello? Turn on your, trying to think what it's called. Turn on your map so that you can see, turn on your map so that when the radar goes off, you can see him. I feel like he'd be in the junkyard. Is he in the junkyard? Where is this man? Where is he?
I did see someone in the skunk gas earlier.
You found him? Oh, I see him, I see him, I see him. Yeah. Third victory of the day, my guy. Only 13 minutes in. Let's go. Let's keep it rolling. Here we go. By the way, this is probably going to be our last round. It might not be, so brace yourselves. Because the last rounds are always wild. What will happen if I hit the random button on my character? Yeah. Oh gosh. I'm this guy now. Okay, we're starting. Let's start. Is anybody infected? I feel like somebody's infected. Who's infected? Okay. I feel like you're infected, Zane. I feel like you're infected. Hi. How dare you call me that name? That made me sad. Let's go find somebody. Find somebody on the radar. I found somebody.
Come on.
It's two people. Let me go. Let me go. Let me go. Let me go, you stinkies. I died.
Got bananas.
You got bananas? Bro, this guy's name's Technoblade. So it looks like I'm far away from people, so cut! I'm near some people. Kill them! Yeah, Zane, let's go! Let's go, Zane! It's Technoblade again, my guy.
I hope I'm not near it.
Okay, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. It's a person. They just hurt themselves.
Holy crap, with sailboat. Oh my
Hey, there's somebody with my skin. Well, not my randomized skin, but my normal skin. Okay, here we go. We're gonna respawn again. Bro, our troops are dropping left, right, and center.
Wait, where's the sailboat? Oh no.
But not down. Because we don't go down. We go left, right, and center, not down. Nor up.
Oh wait, what?
Hi! Oh, I died. Oh well! Cut! Hey yo, it's the Fortnite Battle Pass! Somebody's name's Fortnite.
Murder.
Quit making our relatives into chicken nuggets and maybe we'll stop the war. What up? What up?
I just like Zane came over and said you killed Zane, and I was like, oh wait, what?
We're the chicken nugget gangsters. Wait, somebody has the floss?
Yeah.
Bro. Yeah. That's how it works, man. Oh, hi.
Put that in the YouTube video.
Yeah, because, I'm a chicken nugget gangster.
I murdered.
Oh my gosh, that's too many people. There's too many people on the highway. I can't sing that. I was going to sing a song from Cars that everybody probably knows, but can't sing it cuz copyright. Ah! Okay, I died. Get him! Get him! Excuse me.
Wow, I hope you got that one.
I did. Eat their foots. Eat them. Eat them. Eat them. They taste good. Go. Go in. Go in. Take them out. Loud sound warning on this video, my guy. I told you, last round always gets intense. And we lost. Ah!
Wait, that wasn't the last round.
Yeah, it was because this has been 21 minutes. So, bye. Subscribe. Hit the bell. You like the video. And, yeah, do all that good stuff. And, yeah, bye.